food and more food and more food and more food. Y'all, I went on a Carnival cruise. Ain't nobody warned me. So I overate, became bloated, and so much more. So y'all about to see me work this bad boy off because no freaking way.
My stomach is hurting and I can't eat a bunch of junk anymore. First time on ship, but I like it.
You like it?
I think I ate too much food yesterday. Oh. Yeah, I went to like 4 restaurants. So I can't do it today again. That's why I'm going light. We're going light.
The weather gonna be like this until we reach the
Okay.
Hey y'all. Today I am about to work out on the cruise because I ate so much food. I am bloated. Look at me when I go down into the squat. Like, look at my stomach from the side. I feel big. I know I'm not doing right. I'm on this cruise eating pizza, French fries, all the things I don't need to be eating. They don't have no juice bars, no smoothie bars. They only have a juice bar during breakfast time. And you have to make reservations to get that. Like, y'all, it was so hard on this cruise. I love the cruise experience so much, but I don't know if I could do it again if it's going to result to me overeating and being more bloated and just looking chunky overall, because I was looking chunky. So with that being said, we are about to do a full body workout. Right now I am doing back rows because I would like to unbig my back, unwide my back. I'm not sure if the unwide part is possible, which I think it is, but you got to try a little bit harder. And I don't know if I'm down to try that hard because I love my body. I love how my body looks. I came down a lot of pounds. I'm at a comfortable weight, but I still go to the gym and I still eat healthy intentionally. I do cheat and slip up every now and then. However, I don't plan on going back to that obese lifestyle, living to eat type-ish. But let's get it in. We're going to kill the abs. We're going to kill the back. We're going to do some upper body squats. We already hit those. Also going to get some cardio in. Stay focused, stay motivated, stay dedicated. Let's get right into this workout even further. don't forget to stretch. Stretching is so important. And I know you hear this a lot, but ladies, if you watching this, we got to stretch. You know why stretching is important. Because you want to be able to bust them splits. You want to be able to throw them legs behind your head. Throw them legs up in the air. You know what I'm saying? You want to have a flexible body. So we need to stretch more. Open up them quads. Open up them hips. Open up them dips. And we're going to end this workout with some cardio, at least for about 20 minutes. From 15 to 30 minutes of cardio per day is going to be a life changer for you and for me. So let's get it in. I've been practicing running more because running, more acceleration, more fat burn. Being able to run in any situation, because you never know what can happen. You might need to run from the big bad wolf one day. So stay ready. Stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Okay? Don't get caught lacking. I'll see y'all in the next video. I love y'all. Keep trying your best to be healthy. It's not easy. Keep trying your best to get active. I know it's not easy, but as long as you're trying 10% each day, you'll be a greater you.
So the spa area has a sauna. So we're gonna hit up the sauna right now. I just want to let y'all know that the spa also has a sauna, and I didn't know, and it's free and included. So the whole time I'm thinking that I gotta wait until tomorrow when they do like this ladies pamper thing in order to experience like the sauna and stuff. But they had one the whole time, so I'm about to get in there right now because I could use a good sweat.